Well, Jewel, are you ready to go outside? You check yourself out in the mirror long enough. Yeah? You ready to go? Let me get your perch. Here we go, Jewel. So what are we doing? Here's the outdoor cage. Put you up there. Have to get this cage ready first. Put some newspapers on the bottom. Get you your water. Well, this is your outdoor habitat. I like the word habitat better than cage. Anywho, it looks small. It is small. That's why I just keep her in it for a couple of hours. 2 hours at the most. It's good for birds to get sun, so. But she loved it. She does ask me for a bigger cage. I say, well, maybe in a couple of months when I can afford it. Or maybe I'll build one myself. That would be the cheapest way to go. I was thinking about one of those chameleon cages that had the screens. And I could attach ropes or perches to that. I don't think she'll tear the screens apart. She's not a big parrot. But I don't know if she could tear a screen apart. I would have to see. We'll see. Okay, we gotta set this up first though. This is what we have. So I'll get the newspapers. Newspapers. I keep them here. Grab a section. Just stick that in there. You see how small the cage is now? But big enough that I can hold a section. Okay. Fold it up. There we go. Now you can poop to your heart's content, Jewel. She is a big pooper. Oh, sorry, baby. That's the truth. That's what birds do. I heard some people say their parrots poop at maybe every 20 minutes. She can poop every 5 minutes if she chooses. The only time I don't see her poop every 5 minutes when she's on my shoulder. She's really good about not going on me. It does happen, but not often. You ready to go outside, baby? You want to get some fresh air and sunshine? Hear the wild birds chirp and tweet all around you? Yeah, I think she likes that. She acts like she doesn't like going outside. She's sitting there in her outdoor habitat. She knows it's coming up. Okay, what am I forgetting? Your seed. Ooh, okay. Okay, that dish is for her water. I'll get you seeds. Stay there, Jewel. And here's her seeds where I keep them. I should put them in the refrigerator. That'll make them last longer. Anywho. I put a couple of these in the bottom. You get a variety of seeds, and I just fill them on the bottom there for her. Okay, Jewel, you ready? No, I'm not gonna scratch your head. Wanna go in and get your seeds? There you go. Good birdie. Good birdie. Yep. Now you ready to go outside? Yeah. Oh, okay. Here we go. we're outside. Let me just move these flowers over here. She's on her toy. That's her favorite spot when she's sitting out here. She just sits on there and looks around. She's my sunshine girl. Okay. I'll be right back with your water. Hold on, Jules. There we go. There's the water. Ooh. Hear birds chirping already. And I'll put the umbrella up for her so she won't get too much direct sunlight. I don't want her to get baked out here. Just wanted to get her some sunshine. Sun is good for birds. In the summertime, try to put out as much as possible. It's good for them. It's healthy. Give them strong bones. Maybe a little tan too, right, Jewel? Well, she had pretty colors actually. She had bright yellow head. She already looked like she's sunburned on the cheeks. Yeah, it looked like a orange sunset. And her gray and white feathers. I thought she was pretty. Actually, I thought they were like a sort of tinted purple, but I know they're gray. Just the coloring, gray and white, kind of looks like the color of the sky after a storm. And her eyes, I thought they were black, but those are pupils. Actually, they're blue. You just don't see a lot of white of her eyes. Actually, you don't see any. But if you can get up close of her, you just see the ring of blue around the black. Very pretty. Alright, Jewel, you're outside. So, here's our yard. Big yard. Okay, Jewel, there you go. Got the marigold next to you. I'll put up the umbrella. Alright, happy sunning. Bye. Wanna say bye? Chirp, chirp. Mm-hmm.